It came out like poof. Oh wow. What color is the volcano?
Thank you for subscribing to our YouTube channel. If you haven't, please go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification button so that you get notified every time we post. Enjoy our video. Hi guys. We saw a video online of people doing a volcano, so we wanted to try it out. So it's me, Joki, and Mama. So we're gonna try it out.
Let's do it.
What we have for this volcano is a dish soap. We have white vinegar.
Mommy, I need this.
White vinegar, and then we have.
You want to use the pink
food
color?
We have different food colors, so we're gonna be trying with different. We have a yellow one. We have blue, yellow. What color is this one? Pink, kind of red. You almost guessed it right. So we're gonna see what we can try with, and we have a funnel help us pour the drinks, well, the water.
Colors.
Well,
Oh yeah.
the colors, right? So, all right. What color should we try? What color should we try? This one. What color is this?
Red.
Red.
Okay.
Pink, red. Yeah, we're gonna try doing with that one.
Red volcano it is.
All right. So let's see. Mama is behind the camera, so we're gonna use the pH.
I'm excited to see how this
I need this.
turns out.
I need this.
So we're gonna use the pH bottle. So we're gonna put it right here. All right. What do we pour in first, Mama? Yeah. So yeah, you wanna?
Okay.
Let's see. So we first pour warm water. Let's pour some water. Yeah. Don't we pour some water? There we go. And then put dish soap. Gonna put dish soap here. Put some dish soap in here. And then, you know what you're putting next? What color are you choosing?
Red.
Red? Alright. Here, ready?
Get ready.
It is all one mixture of vinegar. Let's put the vinegar.
Go away.
I think that's enough.
I think more.
And then a bit more. Let's add a little bit more.
Papa.
That's good enough.
More.
So, and then we
Really
add
more.
the food color. Choose the color. What color do you want?
Red.
Put the drops.
What color is that, Skylar?
Red.
Red.
Red. Okay.
So you're gonna start with the red.
Red
let's
volcano.
Mix it up right here. Let's mix it up. Mix it up. Here, go ahead and mix it up. Mix it up. All right. Good job. So after that, you know what we do? We're gonna pour it in here. Let's put our pepper on the side. Are you ready? Okay. Over here that we're gonna use to pour it. Okay. Kind of put the funnel on right here, like that, like this. Ta-da! And then let's pour. Ready? Make sure it doesn't spill. What color is that? Red. All the way. Let's put all of it. There you go. Okay. Alright, so you know what we're doing next? Let's see, we're gonna make a baking soda luxury.
Yeah.
With 1 cup baking soda and water. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So where's our cup? Let's find our cup. Get baking soda, okay? Add baking soda in here.
What?
7, 8, 9, 10. Let's count again. We're gonna count 10, okay? Let's count, Skylar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow. Oh my God. Look at that. Oh, still coming. It's still coming. Uh-oh.
That was a big one.
Uh-oh. The volcano came like poof. Wow. Look at that. Oh, careful. It came out like poof. Oh, wow. What color is the volcano?
Pink.
Pink volcano. Oh, wow.
Still flowing.
Still going. Look at that.
Wow.
Wow, it's so big. Keep coming.